What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Ryan with Hemifam, back with another awesome video for you guys. And in today's video, I just wanted to do a really quick review and unboxing on the Blue Raspberry microphone. This is a USB mic that works with Mac, PC, and iOS devices. So not only can you do awesome voiceovers like what we're doing today here, you can also use it to record really great audio on your iPhone or iPad. This works with iOS device. One good thing about the Blue Raspberry is it does come with everything you need right inside of the box. There's no having to buy an extra cable, extra adapters. Everything that you need comes ready to rock and roll right out of the box. Really great stuff here. And if you are wondering about the audio quality on the Blue Raspberry, this entire voiceover has been done using the Blue Raspberry mic, and I have been very pleased with this mic so far. If you are looking to capture high quality audio via your iPhone, you are looking for a nice mic to do voiceovers for YouTube, be sure to check the video description for up-to-date pricing on this unit and a link to purchase it, of course. So this mic is jam-packed with features, guys. It has a audio knob on the left-hand side to monitor the audio that you are capturing. Thanks to its 3.5 millimeter jack in the back, you can also plug in your headphones and monitor real time what you're recording. Besides that, on the right hand side, you can really adjust what the volume of what the mic is picking up. So you can really fine tune what you're recording, where you're recording, and be sure everything is EQ'd correctly and you're really capturing the best audio that you can get, whether that be from your guitar, you doing a voiceover, going mobile, going live on your mobile device. This device is going to help you capture really clean, crisp audio. So besides those features, it also has a detachable base. So the base that it comes with can easily be removed. You can now take the microphone itself and place it on the universal tripod with the universal tripod mount. It easily mounts to any tripod. The base that it comes with is actually a 360 mount base, so you can turn the Blue microphone 360 degrees any way you want it and really be sure you are capturing great audio under pretty much any circumstance, guys. Blue has really done a swell job. This is designed to be a travel microphone, so it does come with a nice cloth pouch for you to put that in when storing. It does fold up rather nice and neatly, so like I said, if you are tossing it in your camera bag, your go bag, it is not going to take up too much space, and when you pull this thing out of your bag, it is going to look really great, guys. The bottom red portion is somewhat of a leathery feel to it, so it's a real classy looking mic. It sounds really great as far as the audio it captures. I have been really pleased with the Blue mic so far and my purchase, so definitely be sure to check the video description if you are looking into getting a new microphone or getting your first microphone for voiceovers and capturing better, clearer audio. Okay guys, this is pretty much going to wrap up this video on the blue raspberry USB microphone. I really do appreciate all the subscribers and the active viewers. You guys are the real MVPs. Be sure to check the video description for all of our social media links and handles. Be sure to follow us there so you stay up to date and do not miss anything. The link to the blue raspberry microphone will also be down in the video description. Be sure to check that out. If this video helped you and you liked it, be sure to smash that like button for us. Hit us with a subscribe. And as always, guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.